Springtime and winter, and all we need is a nice Italian rosé, like this wine, Chiaretto di Bardolino, from the producer Tantini. Look at this wine, beautiful color, beautiful weak pink color, crispy, fresh, vivid, refreshing, all you need from a wine to enjoy throughout the daytime, as I will do now with the sea view. Let's get into the kitchen to make a beautiful salad that can accompany this wine, using mung beans. We're gonna prepare a beautiful salad, and for that we need some greens like parsley, mint, and some dill. Then we're going to add some chopped red peppers, you could also grill them beforehand, and mung beans. We soak them in water for 20 minutes and then we also boil them for 20 minutes and then we mix all of the ingredients together. Then sun-dried tomatoes give amazing taste, and walnuts. It's the best part, most entertaining part of this recipe. And by philosophy, I always slice the walnuts by knife. Some salt. In this recipe you can be very generous with the olive oil, the salad loves olive oil, just put very good quality olive oil. Some lemon, and the star of this recipe is the pomegranate concentrate. Look at all these beautiful colors, this salad is gonna amaze you with the Chiaretto.